Question number 1 is, what is power sharing? Answer to question number 1 is, power sharing refers to the distribution of power among different organs of government, levels of government, and social groups to ensure balance of power. Question number 2 is, why is power sharing desirable in a democracy? Answer to question number 2 is, power sharing is desirable in a democracy because it helps reduce conflict, ensures political stability, and promotes social harmony for accommodating diverse groups. Question number 3 is, what are the different forms of power sharing in modern democracies? Answer to question number 3 is, the different forms include horizontal power sharing, which is among different organs of government, vertical power sharing, which is among different levels of government, and power sharing among social groups and political parties. Question number 4 is, explain the concept of horizontal power sharing with an example. Answer to question number 4 is, horizontal power sharing involves the distribution of power among different organs of government, such as the legislature, executive, and judiciary. For example, in India, the parliament, which is legislature, prime minister is the executive, and Supreme Court is judiciary, share power to ensure checks and balance. Question number 5 is, what is vertical power sharing? Answer to question number 5 is, vertical power sharing refers to the distribution of power among different levels of government, such as the central, state, and local governments. Each level has its own jurisdiction and authority. Question number 6 is, give an example of vertical power sharing in India. Answer to question number 6 is, in India, power is shared between the central government, state governments, and local governments, like panchayats and municipalities, each with their own function and responsibilities. Question number 7 is, why is power sharing among different social groups important? Answer to question number 7 is, power sharing among different social groups is important to ensure that minority and marginalized communities have a voice in governance, which helps in promoting social inclusion and preventing conflicts. Question number 8 is, explain the term community government with an example. Answer to question number 8 is, a community government is a form of power sharing in which different communities have the right to manage their own affairs. For example, in Belgium, the Flemish, French, and German-speaking communities have their own community governments. Question number 9 is, how does power sharing prevent the tyranny of the majority? Answer to question number 9 is, power sharing prevents the tyranny of the majority by ensuring that no single group or organ of government can dominate others, thus protecting the interests of minority groups. Question number 10 is, what is the significance of power sharing in Belgium? Answer to question number 10 is, in Belgium, power sharing is significant because it helps maintain peace and unity in a country with diverse linguistic and ethnic groups by giving each group representation and autonomy. Question number 11 is, describe the linguistic composition of Belgium. Answer to question number 11 is, Belgium has 3 main linguistic communities: Dutch-speaking 59%, French-speaking 40%, and German-speaking 1%. Question number 12 is, what were the main features of Belgium model of power sharing? Answer to question number 12 is, the Belgian model includes equal representation of Dutch and French-speaking ministers in the central government, state government, based on linguistic regions, and a community government for cultural, educational, and language-related issues. Question number 13 is, how did the Belgian model of power sharing help in resolving conflict? Answer to question number 13 is, the Belgian model helped resolve conflict by ensuring that linguistic groups had representation and autonomy, thereby addressing their concerns and preventing discrimination. Question number 14 is, what is the ethnic composition of Sri Lanka? Answer to question number 14 is Sri Lanka's ethnic composition include Sinhalese 74%, Tamils 18%, including Sri Lankan Tamils and Indian Tamils, and other minor groups 8%. Question number 15 is explain the majoritarian measures adopted in Sri Lanka after independence. Answer to question number 15 is after independence, Sri Lanka adopted majoritarian measures such as making Sinhala the official language and promoting Buddhism as a state religion, which marginalized the Tamil minority. Question number 16 is what was the impact of majoritarian measures on the Tamil community in Sri Lanka? Answer to question number 16 is the majoritarian measures led to discrimination, loss of employment opportunities, and denial of political representation for the Tamil community, resulting in ethnic tensions and demand for autonomy. Question number 17 is how did the civil war in Sri Lanka affect the country? Answer to question number 17 is the civil war caused significant loss of life, displacement of people, economic disruption, and damage of infrastructure, severely impacting the country's development and social fabric. Question number 18 is what is the difference between the prudential and moral reasons for power sharing? Answer to question number 18 is prudential reasons are based on the practical considerations such as political stability and preventing conflicts, while moral reasons are based on the ethical principle of respecting and recognizing diverse group rights. Question number 19 is why are prudential reasons for power sharing important? Answer to question number 19 is prudential reasons are important because they help in maintaining political stability, preventing conflicts, and ensuring effective governance by accommodating diverse interests. Question number 20 is why are moral reasons for power sharing important? Answer to question number 20 is moral reasons are important because they uphold democratic values of justice, equality, and respect for diversity, ensuring that all groups have a voice in governance. Question number 21 is how does the Indian Constitution reflect the principle of power sharing? Answer to question number 21 is the Indian Constitution reflects power sharing through its federal structure, separation of powers among the legislature, executive, and judiciary, and provisions for minority representation. Question number 22 is what is the significance of federalism in India? Answer to question number 22 is federalism in India ensures that power is shared between the central and state governments, allowing the regional autonomy and accommodating diverse linguistic, cultural, and social groups. Question number 23 is explain the term decentralization in the context of power sharing. Answer to question number 23 is decentralization refers to the distribution of power from central and state governments to local governments, empowering local bodies to manage their own affairs and bringing governance close to the people. Question number 24 is what is the role of local governments in power sharing? Answer to question number 24 is local governments play a crucial role in power sharing by addressing local issues, ensuring grassroots participation, and making governance more responsive and accountable to the people. Question number 25 is how does power sharing enhance the quality of governance? Answer to question number 25 is power sharing enhances governance by ensuring representation, accountability, and responsiveness, preventing the concentration of power and addressing the diverse needs of the population. Thanks for watching, and if you have liked this video, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thanks a lot. God bless you.